I've been exploring New York since early this morning, and honestly, I'm so hungry. Ugh, I can barely think straight anymore. I wanted to save money by skipping breakfast, but that was clearly a terrible decision.
Fresh New York hot dogs, cold drinks, and hot food right here.
Hi, this is my first day in New York, and I'd love to try one of your hot dogs.
You've come to the right place. Would you like onions, ketchup, mustard, or relish on it?
I'll take onions and ketchup, please. I'm trying to make safe decisions today.
That's a smart choice. Anything to drink while you're here?
Just a bottle of water. I've already walked what feels like 20 miles.
No problem. Your total comes to $8 today.
$8? I thought New York was expensive, but this feels personal.
The city isn't attacking you. It's simply introducing itself.
Well, I hope the hot dog is worth the emotional damage. Okay, I have to admit it. This might be the best hot dog I've ever eaten. Maybe New York isn't trying to ruin my life after all. Hello there. You seem very interested in my lunch. Great. Now you've invited your entire family.
You should keep a close eye on that hot dog.
Why? They're just pigeons. They don't seem dangerous at all.
That's exactly what every tourist says before losing their lunch.
You make them sound like professional criminals.
Trust me, those birds have years of experience.
Well, this hot dog cost $8, so I'm protecting it with my life. Hey, did that bird just steal my lunch?
Mommy, the pigeon took our food.
Congratulations. You're officially a real New York tourist now.
Let's see. My phone is here, my backpack is here, and my water bottle is almost empty. Wait a minute. Where's my wallet? No. Ugh. This cannot be happening right now. My camera is here. My charger is here. Everything is here except my wallet.
Did you lose something important?
I think I lost my wallet. And unfortunately, it contains almost everything I need.
When was the last time you remember using it?
I used it at the hot dog cart, and after that everything becomes blurry.
You should go back immediately. Maybe somebody found it.
I really hope so, because my vacation budget is already suffering enough.
Try not to panic yet. Most people are better than you think.
I hope New York decides to be kind today. Hi. This is going to sound a little embarrassing, but I think I lost my wallet.
Okay, take a deep breath and tell me exactly what happened.
I bought a hot dog here about 20 minutes ago, then sat over there to eat. Now my wallet is gone, and I've searched everywhere I can think of.
What does the wallet look like?
It's brown leather, fairly small, and honestly much more valuable than my lunch.
I'm sorry, nobody has turned in a wallet today.
You're sure? Maybe someone left it here and forgot to mention it.
I wish I had better news, but I haven't seen anything.
That's exactly the answer I was afraid to hear.
Have you checked with the police station nearby?
Not yet. I was hoping for a miracle first.
Sometimes miracles happen. Sometimes you need a backup plan.
At this point, I'll happily accept either one. Oh, great. My battery is at 3% now. Ugh.